This report guide is designed to help you maximize your use of its features. The report is organized into 4 tabs, starting with the Main tab located at the bottom. In the Main tab, columns A to T provide comprehensive information about students, including their name, gender, and teacher's surname. Columns U to BQ display the question level analysis, known as the QLA, for each exam question. The header of these columns presents 3 key indicators: the maximum possible score for a specific question, the average arithmetic score for the given group of students, and the percentage of the maximum possible score achieved by the group. By default, these indicators reflect the results of the entire student group. However, they will change based on the filters you apply. For instance, if you select only male students, the indicators will update to show results exclusively for that subgroup. Starting from the BS column, you can also find the personal percentage results of each student broken down by question number. In the upper left corner, the Print button allows you to automatically print individual student cards in A4 format. If no printer is connected, the system will create an equivalent number of PDF files instead. The second tab, labelled Grade Boundaries, provides information on the grade boundaries relevant to your report. The Student Card tab displays information about each student's performance. It includes the school and exam name, a comprehensive list of all exam questions, individual student scores, maximum possible scores, and the student's percentage for each question. This data is visually represented through one or more graphs. A red line indicates the average result of the entire student group, allowing for easy comprehension of individual performance against the group's average. The lower section of the tab shows the student's final score and grade. To view a specific student's data, select their name from the drop-down list at the top of the report. Your selection here will determine all of the information displayed on the page. The next section will focus on the main statistical part of the report. This fourth tab features several drop-down lists in the upper left corner. The first allows you to navigate between different pages of the report containing statistical data. Simply select the desired report to be directed there. For instance, the Stats tab includes a local drop-down list where you can select information about students, such as race or gender. Your selection will display a table with detailed results for that specific subgroup and a corresponding data visualization. The default value is all, which you can always revert to by selecting it from the list. Let's illustrate by selecting gender to view the breakdown for males and females. Next, we'll navigate to the Heat Map 1 tab. In the upper left corner, you'll find 2 local drop-down lists. As before, you can choose a subgroup, for example race, gender, etc. Additionally, you can now select any available value within the current subgroup. For instance, you could choose to see results exclusively for the male gender, thereby displaying the data strictly for that student cohort. This visualization is very easy to read. The vertical axis represents actual grades, while the horizontal axis shows the grades students aimed for. The green zone highlights students who met or surpassed their exam goals. The orange zone indicates students who nearly achieved their goals, and the red zone signifies those who did not reach their goals. For example, this student aimed for a 3 but scored a 6, and this student aimed for an 8 but received a 5. Moving to the Heat Map 2 tab, you'll find the same drop-down lists in the upper left corner, which are also present on all subsequent tabs. The accompanying table, dynamically updated by these lists, displays all combinations of desired and actual grades, along with the corresponding number of students. For example, it shows how 5 students aimed for a grade of 2 but achieved a 4. This functionality can be applied to specific teachers, such as viewing the results of students taught by this teacher. The visualization uses 2 colors, green and red. Green indicates instances where the achieved grade is equal to or higher than the target grade, as demonstrated in this example. Conversely, red signifies situations where the achieved grade falls below the target grade, as you can observe here. The Heat Map 3 tab functions similarly to Heat Map 2, but with key differences. Column C lists all available grade types, while Column D shows the number of students aiming for each grade. Column E displays the actual number of students who achieved each grade. For example, 45 students attained a specific grade even though only 11 initially targeted it. The visualization uses 3 colors. Grey represents the number of students who expected to achieve a particular grade. Green indicates that the number of students who actually achieved the grade exceeded expectations. Red signifies that the number of students who actually achieved the grade fell short of expectations. An example illustrates this. 9% of students aimed for a grade of 4, but 37% actually received it, resulting in a green column. Let's now look at the male students. In this example, 15% of male students aimed for a grade of 6, but only 11% achieved it. This is why the column is red. We've reached the final tab, Top Results. Here you can view the highest scoring students. You can customize the number of students displayed from 5 to 15 like this. The red line on the graph represents the average percentage for the entire group, allowing you to see how far ahead the top performers are. The other 2 tables show the best answered questions and the worst answered questions. You can also adjust the number of questions displayed for these sections from 2 to 5. That concludes our guide. I hope this has helped you understand how to interpret this report and how to get the most out of using it.